Hello. Hey guys, this is Kimmi, Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, listen, I thought I would do a weekend update really quick. It ain't going good, y'all. For those who don't know, I am Kimmi. I've started a healthy journey, and I am trying to just be healthier at this stage in my life. So my weekend update consists of, I probably should have waited till Sunday. Today is Saturday, but since today is going kind of awry, I don't know what might happen tomorrow. But I'm definitely going to pull it together. So this is just excuse me, I'm sitting here drinking some apple cider vinegar, trying to flush out some stuff. I did do my treadmill, treadmill. I did my treadmill for 15 minutes. I am in overdrive over here because, last week I had a 0 loss and I was not feeling that. So anyway, the day started off well. I knew it was going to be kind of tricky. I had a little conference that I went to today, and the conference, sitting there all day, you're going to want some snacks. So I tried to start out yesterday. I was at the store and using my Weight Watchers app is what I'm doing. Is my preferred plan right now. If you're doing anything else, please continue to watch, subscribe, and all that, because we're going to talk about all things diet, emotional, all things diet, emotionally, physically, the whole gamut, whole body stuff. So not just about what we're eating, but whatever's going on with you also. So anyway, I'm at the store yesterday buying the little snacks because I don't force my husband to eat what I eat most times. And I know he was going to be at this conference with me, and he would like some, some chips, which we end up doing baked Cheetos. So I got him the hot. He likes the hot. I like the regular plain cheese, the Cheetos regular. Not Cheetos regular, Cheetos baked. They're baked Cheetos, but they're the cheese flavor. He likes the hot flavor. So we had the baked Cheetos. He was good. I bought some Fig Newtons. The Fig Newtons were 5 points for 2. So I said I'm going to put me 2 in a baggie. So I'm trying to prepare, because I always say prepare for your environment. You know where you're going most of the time. I knew I was going to this little one-day conference. I need to be prepared. So I put the Fig Newtons. I knew I was going to have 2. Then we bought these candy slices, like those old-fashioned orange candy slices, and the fish, the Swedish fish. If you remember those, kind of jelly texture. I bought a bag of those. I bought this stuff. Now, he didn't even buy it. I bought it, but I don't force him. So normally I'm a little more controlled, a little bit more. I haven't been ordering dessert when I go out too often now. I've been really watching the sweets. So anyway, I ate the Fig Newton. That thing was sweet. Oh my goodness, it was sweet. But anyway, my taste buds must be changing, which is a good thing, because it was so sweet. I did eat 2, because I couldn't just eat 1, even though it was sweet. Sorry, got a little tickle. Even though it was sweet, I couldn't just eat 1. I ate 2. So far we still doing okay. But those candy slices, I'll tell you guys, I must have ate, I'll say 6. So I go to look at Weight Watchers. I think it was 4 or 5 were 9 points. I was like, I ain't even count that. I cannot count no 9 points. I didn't even count it, y'all. I didn't. So now I'm sitting here like, I done sat here and ate 9 of the orange slices. About 6 to 9. Because I said 6 earlier. It was 6 to 9. I don't know how many I ate. Really. I was trying to eat not like my norm. I could have ate half a bag, really. But I did not. I know I didn't do that. But I did have a few of the Swedish fish also. And then they had a few snacks at the conference I went to. The nerve of them. I figured they would have something. So I ended up grabbing a Kind bar. But it was a new one. It had peanut butter. So it had 2 bars in it. So I scanned that in my Weight Watchers. And that was 7 points. I said, I'm not eating 2 of these. I'd be doggone. So I ate 1 and gave the other one to my husband. I had that video I did earlier about, are you a garbage dump? I made him one today because I said it can't go to waste. And I ain't about to use my points for it. Don't forget, y'all, I didn't count the candy, right? So the main reason I hopped on here today, though, y'all ain't gonna believe where I went today. Y'all not gonna believe me. I went to that vegan restaurant again that I went to last week. It's the kind of thing where I told y'all I'm not vegan, but you get that flavor. Those flavors was, oh my goodness. I wrote it down. So it was, I told y'all, coconut corn. It had kale, spinach wrap, vegan mayonnaise, raisins, and avocado. Oh my God. And like a bacon bit spicy barbecue sauce, but it's vegan bacon bits. I'm sitting there, y'all. I'm back in downtown Atlanta because the conference I went to was in Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta and I'm sitting there back at this restaurant. I said, nah. I said, you know you didn't count it right last week. So today, because last week I just counted the wrap. I put a spinach wrap. I thought the rest of the inside was healthy. Y'all know I had 0 weight loss for the 3rd time, if I ain't tell you already in this video. So I'm sitting there and I started deconstructing the wrap. I said, I got to put this in my points this time because I ain't trying to get another 0. So I started putting it in my points, y'all. So Weight Watchers, I get 28 points per week. Okay, I get, not per week, 28 per day. And then an extra 28 additional for the week. Okay, so that's, yeah, it went down. It was 29, but when I lost 10 pounds, then it also took one of my points away. So now I'm at 28. So 28 per day. And then you get an extra 28 you can use for the week however you want. So I started deconstructing the wrap. Okay, so it's a spinach wrap. Last week I put 5 points. Come to find out today, when I actually did the math, the math was mathing, y'all. It was 7 points for the wrap. And I guarantee you their wrap is not your regular spinach wrap you buy at the grocery store, right? So I probably should have put 10 points, but I didn't. I put 7. Okay. Then I put the vegan mayonnaise because I ain't put that last week. Trader Joe's was the only vegan mayonnaise that they had. That was 3 points. So now we're already at 10. Okay, that's just the wrap and the mayonnaise. Okay, we ain't even put the couscous. Couscous has points. I didn't know that. It had 5 points, the couscous. So I had to put 5 points for couscous. Who knew? Then the corn is in coconut milk, so I don't know how to count that. Corn by itself is 0, but coconut milk have points. So I didn't put anything for that. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all. When this Thursday roll around, I'm gonna be scared again. Cause, I mean, one messed up meal or messed up day or using your points more excessively or whatever shouldn't mess up my whole week. But then I got the candy that I ate. So this is really a confessional. My nose was itching a little bit. They had this fancy popcorn there too. So I didn't tell you about the popcorn. This vegan place had this fancy popcorn. So I bought that. It had kale and cayenne pepper and all these different flavors, garlic. So I've been sneezing like crazy because I got a lot of allergies. But anyway, so when I did all the points for that vegan, thinking it's the healthy alternative, it was almost 20 points, y'all. That's 20 points. I didn't hardly count 20 last week. So I probably was already in the hole. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did 0 weight loss last week. And it's cool because it happens. It may be another week. Like I said, I may lose, gain, whatever. So I'm down a total of 12 for those of you who are new with me on my channel. I'm down 12 pounds. And I'm feeling really good, even though I had the 0 last week. But I just had to come on here and tell y'all, be careful when you think you're making a healthier choice and it may not be. I told my husband I would have been better to go get me a Happy Meal from McDonald's. All the points that this vegan wrap was, but I had to have it because it was so good. I had to have the wrap. So this is my confession. So I don't know what's gonna happen on Thursday, y'all, but I'm gonna keep on trying. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm having company over tomorrow. We're gonna fry some fish. So I gotta work that into my points. My 28 that I have for the day, and then I probably have 10 left. But really, I probably don't even have 10, y'all. I'm probably negative. Have your bank account ever been negative? My Weight Watchers bank account is negative. Have you ever been negative in your bank account? I have. That's a frightening feeling. Right? So this video is not going to be edited. This is just in the raw. I'm sitting out here just getting some air. Thought I'd kind of free my mind and do my, free my mind and my conscience in case I have a weight gain this week. Tell y'all what's really going on. My neighbor just pulled up, so I'm going to have to go and say hi. But anyway, just be careful when you think you're making a better choice. Because it may not be the better choice. And if you are going to eat something, don't be like me. Take your time and break it down, and you know, because stuff is hidden in bowls. Like a lot of times people like these rice bowls. You better figure out what's in that rice bowl before you put it in your mouth, because it ain't just rice. You know, sometimes you got your rice, you got your beans, you got, you know, hidden stuff in there. So you got to know what's in it. And I didn't do that last week. So again, this week I'm just telling y'all what happened this weekend. And I had to have that sandwich. The wrap. I went again. So anyway, I'm gonna head on out, y'all. But I just really wanted to say, be careful what you're eating, because you don't never know. And don't assume it's healthy. That's the main thing. Don't assume it's healthy, because I'm trying to tell you, you're gonna be like me. But we're gonna be fine, because we ain't quitting. I say that every video. We ain't quitting. Fit is the new it in this house. And we are going to be healthy. We are going to be fit if it kills us. I hope it don't do that. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all having a good weekend. I thought I'd, like I said, come and just share what was going on in my space. Me and that rap. I'll talk to y'all soon, okay? Bye. Have a good one. Healthy Life with Kimmy. Until next time, click subscribe and share. Bye.